Another example, we have number 3, y is equal to e to the power of negative e to the power of square root of x. Okay? So very clear that the exponent of e is a radical which is square root of x. So atong first buhaton is i-rewrite nato na to its equivalent form. So ato siyang sulat as e to the power of x to the power of 1/2. No? So muna yung equivalent form. Then apply the derivative of exponential function. So y prime is equal to, what is the derivative of EU? So EU times the derivative of U. In another Japon nga pattern class. So equal to E, what is gali atong U kato? X to the power of 1/2 times the derivative of x to the power of 1/2. Ano siya? Pasensyahin mo sa mga manok. Kagasaba. Y prime is equal to e to the power of x to the power of 1/2 times what is derivative of x to the power of 1/2? Derivative, power rule. So, copy 1/2 x. So, 1/2 minus 1. Ako na lang nang ipakita, Japon. So, that would be e, copy lang ka, x to the power of 1/2 times 1/2 x. What is 1/2 minus 1? You have negative 1/2. Correct? So, pasensyahin lang ta sa mga manok na sigig tuktugaok. So, you have here, finalize your answer. You have e to the power of x to the power of 1/2. Then, since this is a negative power, so to bring down that one, x to the power of 1/2. Or, simply, y prime is equal to e to the power of square root of x all over dirita. Then 2 square root of x. It's just the same, ani. Okay? So that is our square root of 3. Pasensya kaya kung kamot ra nga wala ang naghawid sa kuan. Wala ko sa akong whiteboard nga dako kay nagguba-guba na. Muna to kung iprojectan pohon, magpabuhat ko or magpalit. Wala man gud sa kagyan kanang paliton nga nanoy, buhaton man gud siya. Hindi pa kay balo. Okay. So muna tong third example. So how about our fourth example? Y is equal to e to the power of x minus 4. Again, nabilong siya sa formula number 2 katong derivative of e to the u is simply equal to e to the u times dxu sa inani ra Japon, no? So meaning to say atong u is ang exponent nga x minus 4. So its derivative is written as y prime is equal to e to the u times the derivative of u. So you have e, what is our u? X minus 4 times the derivative of x minus 4. Kaya atong x minus 4 is our u man. So you have e, you just copy x minus 4 times, what is derivative of x minus 4? You have 1, right? So finalize your answer. You have here y prime is equal to e to the power of x minus 4 times 1. Okay, so let us consider our fifth example in finding the derivative of an exponential function. So in number 5, since ba naman sa examples 1, 2, 3, 4, let us move on to number 5. In number 5, you are given y is equal to x times e to the 4x. So, what are we going to do here? This is a product of an algebraic times a transcendental function. So we will apply, so itong i-apply, we apply u dv plus v du, right? Okay, so let u be equal to x, then v be equal to e to the 4x. Okay, so what is the derivative of u? Which is x, so du is just equal to 1. How about dv? Kasi derivative ni e to the 4x, katong chain rule. We have e to the 4x times the derivative of 4x. And that is e to the 4x times, what is the derivative of 4x? You have 4. Then dv is equal to e to the 4x times 4 is 4e to the 4x. So nanakay du, nanakay dv. Okay. So let us now proceed in finding the derivative. So using this formula you have here, y prime is equal to, just substitute your u is x, your dv is times 4e to the 4x plus our v is e to the 4x, then our du is 1. Correct? Okay. Pareha na po na sa katong how we obtain the derivative using the product rule. Okay, padayon na din ta. You will have now y prime is equal to x times this, you have 4x e to the 4x. So, kanilang siyang 4 og x ay mag-multiply, then you just copy. Plus, e to the 4x times 1 is e to the 4x. And that is the answer. Okay? More siya example number 5. So, now let's move on to our example number 6 in finding, again, the derivative of the exponential function. Okay, observe here in number 6, we have y is equal to e to the x ln of x. Now, it is the product of exponential and then the logarithmic function. Okay, so unsa inabutang ka sa itong una-una class? Unsaon ka na to? Again, that is a product and we will still use the product rule, no? Sige itong product rule again. Y prime is equal to u dv plus v du. Okay, so we let u be equal to e to the x, then your v is ln of x. Okay? Diba? Then, derivative of e to the x, kay e to the x lang Japan, correct? Then dv is equal to, what is derivative of ln x? 1 over x. Okay? So, nanatay yung mga value ni u, v, du, and dv, and we just simply substitute these values diri sa atong formula para mas madali. Okay? So, this becomes y prime is equal to, what is our u? E to the x. What is our dv? 1 over x plus ln of x du is e to the x. Okay? So, simplify further. E to the x times 1 over x. So, 1 over x e to the power of x plus ln of x times e to the power of x, e to the x ln of x. And that is the derivative of this function. Pero kung dili mo ganan, pwede na ninyo, from the previous example, pwede po ninyo i-factor out si e to the x. Para yan na na siya. 1 over x plus ln of x. Just the same. Okay? Para yan na silang dua. So, muna siya atong example number 6.